Okay, welcome again to my YouTube channel. So now I'm gonna share with you the very basic Arabic lesson. It's about Arabic alphabet and how to pronounce and also how to write in sentence. Okay, here the list of Arabic alphabet. Okay, alif, ba, ta, sa, jim, ha, kha, dal, zal, ra, ra, za, sin, shin, صاد dot طاء ظاء عين غين فاء قاف كاف لام ميم نون واو ها لام alif lam and alif hamzah ya. Okay, we also have harakat. It is called the vowel marks here, like the first one here. If this mark are above the letter a, if double like this, an. If below the letter e, double in. This one u and un, and then this one is tasdid. Okay, the first one here is fatha, fathatain, kasra, kasratain, and then dhamma, dhammatain, and that's it here. It's like to make the letter double, like uh, amma. So the sound of ma become double, amma, like that. Okay, the first one, the letter alif. Sometimes it's called hamza, hamza wasal, and hamza qata. Okay, so here how to write in sentence and to pronounce. It's like saying uncountable, unacceptable, okay. In the beginning like this, we pronounce alham, but in the middle like this, it's dropped, so silent. Minal ladhi. So we don't need to pronounce this one. And the next example, just make the sound of meme here, make it longer. Without alif, we say kama, but with alif, kama, it's longer. Okay, without alif, kana, and with alif, kana, like that. Okay, and next, okay, uh, wait, back again to alif here. Alif here can connect to the letter before it, like this one, mim here. So when connect with the previous letter, it become like this. But alif cannot connect to the letter after it. Okay, like this one, can never connect to lam. And then the second example here, this is alif and lam, ya, al. Okay, and then next, ba, ta, ta, nun, and ya. And how to pronounce? Okay, okay. I use the website here, Hukum Tajwid. Okay, to pronounce ba, ta, ta. Ba is like saying book. Yeah, it's the same. And then ta here is ta here. So the tip of your tongue, put it here. Then ta, ta. I think it's the same as like saying take. I think it's the same, similar. And then next, sa. Sa, the tip of your tongue, put it here. And then we say sa, sa, si, so. And then noon, it's like n here. Na, ni, no. Yeah, it's the same. And then ya. Ya is like y. Yeah, I think it's the same. Okay. And to write, the way we write these 5 letters is the same. In the beginning, it's like this one. In the beginning, Yeah is tha is the same like this. Non is also yeah. Okay, the same like this. Just a different dot, and then in the middle is like this. Okay, all these letters the same, and then at the end of the word is like this. Okay, it's the same. In the next. Okay, so but all here can connect to the letter, the previous letter, and also can connect to the letter after these letters. Like this one, connect with dal, and then this one connect with kap and connect with ya and ra. Okay, then next, jim, ha, kha. Okay, jim here is like saying Jim, it's the same as like in English, J, Jim. Okay, and then ha, yeah. So the sound of ha is here, ha, ha, he, ho, like that. Okay, and then ha. See, ha is here, ha. Okay, and the way we write, it's the same. Jim, ha, and ha is the same. It can connect to the previous letter and also the letter after it. Like this one in the beginning of the word like this, and the middle is like this. It's the same. Ha, Jim, and ha is the same like this, and in the end it's like this. Okay, and then next letter, dal and dal. Da. How to pronounce? You see again here. Okay, put the tip of your tongue here. Da. What about the next one is here? The, the. Okay, like that. The way we write it cannot connect to the letter after it. Like this one in the beginning of the word. Okay, we cannot connect to the lam, but it can connect to the previous letter. Like this one, connect to ha, and then this one connect with lam before it. Okay, like this one, how to write. And then next letter. Okay, ra, za, and wow. Ra, how to pronounce? Ra is here, ra is here. Put the tip of your tongue here, ra, ri, ru. And then za, you put here your tongue on the top. Za, zi, zu. I think it's similar to z. And then wow, it's like w, wow, wake up, it's the same. It's similar, okay. And then ra, za, and wow here, it can connect to the letter before it, but cannot connect to the letter after it. Okay, like this one, cannot connect to ba, and wow and lam, it cannot. But with the previous letter, it's okay. Like this one, okay, okay. That's the way we write ra, za, and wow. And now, sin, shin, short, dot. Oh, sorry, dot. Okay, how to pronounce? Sin, yeah, I think similar to S. I see you. I think it's similar. Then shin, I think it's similar to shopping. Similar, yeah. The position is here, shin, yeah. Okay, maybe wash, similar. Okay, and then short for so. I think no word in linguistic as the same as this one. So she, su, saw, she, su. And then for dot, I use like this. I think this one, Pusat Al-Quran, is more clear. So this is your upper molar. So I put the tip of my tongue, I push my upper molar, and then I say do, 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 like that. Okay, it's very difficult maybe. You can put in the left side or in the right side. You push your upper molar here. Do, do. Okay, and the way we write in the sentence is the same. It can connect to the letter before it and after it. Like this one in the beginning of the words like this. Shin, shin, short, and also dot is the same. Like this one, short, short. The shin in the middle here is like this. Okay, it's the same. What about in the end? In the end of the word is like this. You see here, this one. Okay, so like that's the way to write shin, shin, short, and dot. And then next, to and zo. I think this is almost the same as the previous letters. At the beginning, in the middle is like this, and then zo is also like this. At the beginning is the same. It can connect to the previous letter and after it. I think it's the same as this one. Yeah. Okay. And how to pronounce? Okay, it's no word similar to it in English. Like this one toy, you put the tip of your tongue here and then say to, to, to. And the second one you put here zo, zo. I think it's not here. Zo, 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 zo. Okay. And then next letter. Okay, ein and oin. Ah, oh, oh. Here is the same like saying ho, but you don't need to the same as ho. The position ho or here ho or what about is here ah okay. And then how to write? It's the same as ha, ho, jim. It can connect to the previous letter and after it. In the beginning it's like this. It's also at the beginning, and this one is in the middle. It's in the middle actually because ra here cannot connect to the letter after it, so become like this. And in the end it's like this. Okay. And next letter, fa and ko, kof. Fa here is like saying future, future. Okay. And then ko actually is similar to k when you say cat, but behind it ko, ka, ko, like that. Ka, ka is here. Ko, ko. Use this one. Ko. Oh, ho, ko. Oh, ho, ko. Ka. Okay. How to write? It can connect to the letter before and after. Like this one too, and this one, like that. And the next cup here, cup is like this actually, but when uh, it's in the beginning of the word is like this. The form is like this, okay? In the middle is like this, okay? And in the end it's like this. This is the way to write cup, cup, okay? It's like K in English, similar to K. Next, lam, okay, similar to L. In the beginning, it can connect to the letter before and after. Next one, in the beginning, in the end, and in the middle. Okay. And then next, mim, like M, yeah. Okay, it can connect to the letter before and after, like this one, in the beginning, in the middle, and in the end is like this. And the next, ha, ha here is the sound is inside your chest. Ha, ha, he, hum. It can connect to the letter before and after. In the beginning it's like this, in the middle it's like this, but in the end it's like this the form. Okay. Ha. Then next lam and alif, yeah, it's like this, lam and alif, double two letters here. Okay, I think it does it, no problem with this one. Then next hamza, hamza, this one, yeah, actually. Okay, it can be like this one on the top of alif and in or below like this or like this or above wow or above alif like this or just yeah sometimes just like this, yeah. Okay, that's the Arabic alphabet. Okay, so now you know how to pronounce and how to write in sentences. Okay, okay everybody, I think that's all. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, share this video with your friends. See you, ma'assalamah.